looks like we have our challenge. All right, so it looks like we have everything that I have to cook with for this chops challenge. Looks like I'm gonna be using capers, some brown rice, I have chopped pecans, and canned artichoke hearts. So, seems like a pretty difficult challenge, but let's see what we can do, Orlando. So I'm going to be making Mediterranean salmon with a side of pecan brown rice pilaf. So to start with, I have my salmon fillet, and this is going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to put it all together and then pop it in the oven. So the oven is already preheated to 400 degrees. I'm starting with a whole quarter cup, if I can ever get it out of here, of basil pesto. So start with basil, pretty much smear it all over the whole thing. So one of my 4 ingredients was artichoke hearts. I'm not really using any measuring here because, like I said, I love them. So I'm just going to plop them kind of all over the place. Really, the more you have, the better. So next up, I am going to add a teaspoon of ground ginger. My measurements are not perfect here, but that's all right. You're just throwing it in the oven and it's going to turn out great anyway. Another teaspoon of smoked paprika. And yes, I know I should be using a new teaspoon, but it's all going in the same place anyway. One of my favorite things to cook with, another teaspoon of dill. Quarter cup of Kalamata olives. Don't want that much, gonna make it cook a lot slower. Lots of olives, lots of artichokes. You guessed it, lots of capers. So this is my second ingredient from the challenge. Lots of capers on top. Have everything on there. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna start working on the pecan brown rice pilaf. 2.5 tablespoons of butter. So my butter is melting in the pot. I have my pecans, very important. If I don't use them, I am out of this challenge. Towel and clean this up. Don't want it to look messy. These judges are real sticklers. All right, so it is ready to go. This is Mediterranean salmon with a pecan brown rice pilaf. So let's see what our judges think. All right, Judge, so this is Mediterranean salmon with a brown rice pecan pilaf. I hope you enjoy.
Let's see how you did. Salmon's flavor is very good. I really enjoy that. I like the pesto on top. Really enjoy the flavor of the artichoke hearts and the capers. See how this rice pilaf is. Very good. I really like the pecans, like the roasty flavor of the pecans. I'm a big fan of brown rice, so really enjoy that. I give it 11 out of 10.
Oh my gosh, I was just so nervous, guys. I mean, when I forgot those carrots, I thought that I was done for. But thankfully the judges, they seem to really like it. When I got 11 out of 10, that made my day, y'all. So I am super excited. I can't wait to dig in myself. So Raleigh, we're challenging you guys. You guys are up next. Bring it on.